At OpsTree, we believe in possibilities reimagined. For over a decade, we've helped enterprises accelerate transformation. Now we're shaping the future with AI, making businesses AI-enabled across software, websites, and mobile apps. In a world where speed, intelligence, and resilience define market leaders, OpsTree delivers enterprise-ready AI engineering, blending generative AI and AI ops to transform operations, unravel real-time insights, and scale securely. Our generative AI services are designed to transform the way you work, combining cutting-edge technology with real-world expertise. From precision prompt engineering to multimodal AI systems, we enhance how you create, analyze, and innovate. With retrieval augmented generation, we ensure your AI delivers accurate, up-to-date insights. Our custom LLM deployments adapt to your needs, while our industry-specific solutions, whether for healthcare, fintech, or education, are built to solve your most pressing challenges. At our AI Experience Center, innovation meets execution. We bring together 3 powerful AI solutions, each designed to solve a different kind of challenge. Build Piper MCP, an AI-powered DevSecOps control plane where you can deploy, debug, and optimize pipelines with simple natural language commands. Generative BI, turning plain English questions into instant dashboards, visualizations, and decisions. AI, auto remediation, detecting and fixing IT issues before they impact your business. Here's how our AI solutions are already delivering real impact for leading businesses. For a global edtech leader, we built a GenAI-powered research assistant using RAG on Amazon Bedrock. It cut manual research time drastically, delivering a 300% productivity boost for their content team. When it comes to scale, here's how we helped a major enrollment platform. Serving over 1,000 institutions, their legacy chatbot was slow, outdated, and costly. We rebuilt it on AWS Bedrock with serverless infrastructure. Latency dropped by 80%, accuracy improved by 35%, and API costs reduced by 40%, all with real-time data updates. Across industries, our AI solutions deliver measurable business value. From healthcare diagnostics and fintech fraud prevention to supply chain optimization and customer experience automation. Whether you're modernizing infrastructure, scaling AI adoption, or seeking data-driven innovation, OpsTree is your partner in AI-powered transformation. Let's reimagine what's possible together.